Hello, Fly Babies. Hello, my patrons. It's me, FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Sunday. It is Renew Your Spirit Day. It is a 2-layer cake. The first layer is our routines. Our routines are abbreviated today. We have our morning routine and our children's routine. We have no paper, no laundry. We have after dinner routine, whenever dinner is, and we have our before bed routine. That's it. Now, it's a very critical before bed routine because we're planning for the week. You're looking at that planner. Don't forget, you're looking at your planner twice a day. You're doing clutter checks 3 times a day. You are inspecting what you expect, and you are completing the process on anything you start, even if it's having fun with your children or renewing your spirit. Complete your process, okay? All right. Make sure this afternoon when you have some quiet time that you get your planner out and you adjust anything that you planned on Wednesday because the week has progressed and things may have changed. Make sure that you're planning out your morning, afternoon, and evening, that you've got your children's extracurriculars in there, that you figured out how many hours a day you really do have after doing your morning routines, all the routines that we do, your basic weekly plan, and your zone. Because when you do those in the amount of time that I tell you, you will have time left. Maybe some days you'll only have a half hour, but that's okay. Some days you'll have 3 hours, 4 hours, depending on if you're at home or you're a payroll fly baby. But you will have time, okay? All right, so you're gonna take your planner and you're gonna relook at it, adjust your meals, maybe add in or subtract some things that you had planned, maybe some plans have changed. And don't forget to lay out your clothes for tomorrow. Don't forget about lunches being made, backpacks by the front door, etc. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous Renew Your Spirit Day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful.